back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Odyssey. But y'all, in today's video we got another unboxing. This one is gonna be a little bit short because I don't have that many things, but I did want to show y'all and tell y'all what things on my business that are back in stock. Y'all, we got some OTF gear in here, some anklets, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of everything. So if you watched my last video, I told you guys that these tubes were the new tubes I'm doing for my summer collection for lip gloss. So I got these. And let me show y'all what's going in those. She real pretty. So this is one of my new glosses that I'm gonna put on my site. Can y'all tell by the packaging who it came from? Again, Miss RJ. These are the glosses that I made with my last gloss jar that I got from her, and I absolutely love them. But yeah, this color, y'all, is called Pixie Dust. All right, next. All right, the girl is adding some new products. These are Cuban links. Y'all, ain't it pretty? These are our new anklets that's going on the site. They're Cuban links and they're very comfortable and you can wear them all day basically. My mom even said it the other day, like when you put it on, it's like it's not even there. When they do release on my site, y'all please go shop with me and just tell me if you like them or whatever. I supply the pretty essentials to the girlies, so shop from ICJ Beauty and tell me what you think. Mad cute. The girlies are gonna eat this up. They was already texting me to get one. So I know these is already gone. And y'all know what I told myself yesterday? Wait, hold on, let me read it to y'all just so I can say it correctly. All right, y'all, I found it. This is what it says. Anything that touches my hands, I'm able to get off and sell. Let me say it again. Anything that touches my hands, I'm able to get off and sell.
I know that's right.
That means these is already sold. You gotta say it as if it already happened. These anklets have already sold and the girlies love them. Anything that touches my hands, I'm able to get off and sell. So they already sold. If you're a business owner, practice that, saying that, and having that mindset, and you will succeed and your products will sell. I'm telling you. Just promote every day. And girl, watch your phone start doing that Shopify sound. All right, next, this is more anklets, y'all. These have been on my site since I started my business. So this is basically one of them. This is the Cuban link one in gold. So I brought back the Cuban link, which I just showed y'all, and the link anklet. This is the link anklet, and she's in gold. That's basically what these are. It's just sets of like 4, I think, for each one. This is next. And I already know exactly what this is. My tote bags. So the girlies was asking me about this last night, y'all. Word on the street was that the girlies wanted anklets and tote bags. And I got what you need. That's free. The only reason I got such little amount is because I honestly wasn't gonna restock these. But the girlies kept asking me, so I'm like, okay, I'll do it for y'all one more time, but then that might be it because when wintertime rolls around, I got some stuff. I'm not gonna say too much, but I got some stuff coming. So if you don't get a tote bag right now, you gotta get one for this restock because it ain't coming back. So that's all I'm saying. So get you a tote bag from ICJ Beauty. And they mad cute, y'all. Like, how can you not like these? They're mad cute, good size, very good quality. Got a strap on it, and they affordable. $40. A nice size bag for that price. These are bags. I have black and tan. What Lotto say? Cheap niggas make you pick. Rich niggas will do both. Okay. This is the next package. And I already know what this is, and I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna try it on for y'all. It says OTF medium. But yeah, this is the almost healed shirt. and from his new album that he dropped. And if you know me, you know I love Lil Durk. Like, I stand with Lil Durk. And the reason I got this, y'all, is because I'm going to his concert in the fall time, and I just wanted to have some drip to be in it because I'm gonna be in there. Next, last thing is also a shirt. All this stuff that I got, it's from AliExpress, and I keep telling y'all over and over, and I keep telling my friends I want to start businesses. Get on AliExpress. But like I said, y'all sleep, so I'm gonna let y'all stay asleep. I mean, I'm giving out free game right now. Like, most of my stuff, my products for my business, is from AliExpress, and my stuff is like quality. Cause don't play with me, and I'm not about to play with y'all when y'all spending y'all coins with me. So this is the next piece that we got. It says God's favorite, and y'all know I love God. I was just talking to God earlier. I seek God in everything that I do. I seek God within my business, and I love God. So it was only right for me to get this shirt. And also, it is very pretty. I was going to sell it to the girlies for summertime, but guys, I had to order one first. And I still might if I try it on and it's up to my standards, because this is a medium. And obviously it's a crop top, but sometimes crop tops be too tight around the neck area and the arms. So we're gonna see, because I'm kind of getting that vibe right now. But you never know till you put it on. So, like I thought, it is a little bit on the more tighter side. Now the arms, not as tight, but the neck, I barely could get it over my head. And my head is little, y'all. It's good quality. The little things feel good. They don't feel cheap. Would I invest into it for my business? Maybe. We're gonna see. If y'all see me doing an unboxing of God's favorite t-shirts, then it was a go. But yeah, guys, so this is the last piece. So that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.